Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. We are going to stop or instruct bots not to crawl links in Wix pages. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it. And then you see site pages and menu. So we have multiple pages. Now you see contact. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots. So click on it. Now you see settings, so click on it. So we are in page setting contact. Now you see multiple options and then you see advanced SEO, so click on it. So in advanced SEO you see the bots meta tag, so click on it. And then you see select the relevant instructions so bots know what info to display after crawling this page. Now you see no follow, enable this option. And then you see icon, Now you see message. This instructs bots not to crawl link on this page for search result. So you can select option according to requirement and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.